Hello, my name is Chef Michael Vaughn. I am the executive sous chef here at the beautiful La Quinta Resort Club. We have quite a few restaurants here on property at the La Quinta Resort. Our three-meal restaurant, Restaurant 26, can serve up to 1,400 meals a day. We also have our Adobe Grill restaurant, which serves Oaxacan cuisine, and they can do up to 600, 700 covers each evening. And we also have our banquet facilities. Our banquet facilities can facilitate 1,500 and plus throughout the beautiful landscape here on our property. The types of meals we prepare in the different kettles, we do a lot of our soups, stocks, and sauces, where we start with the stocks, creating the base for our flavors, and take it all the way through to the finish with reductions. We also do sous vide in the kettles and a lot of braising. The Groen Kettles are absolutely amazing because they really allow us to be able to produce the volume and quantities that we need for our covers. Groen has amazing products. We have a kettle here from 1988 that has had minimal maintenance. It's absolutely amazing. It keeps the consistent temperature. It's easy to clean. 1988 speaks for itself. One of my most favorite features of the Groen Kettles is the temperature consistency. We can put product in there, walk away for hours, and we can come back to it, check it, and it's still at the same temperature every time. It's great that we were able to bring these kettles in, and they fit perfectly. The whole design of them, the temperature control, just everything about them really just lends itself very friendly to a culinary atmosphere. I definitely recommend these to my culinary counterparts. These kettles do a great job. The consistency and temperature, again, the look of them is just very intimidating, very professional. They're easy to clean. The ease of tilting when you have product inside. There's just a lot of features that these pieces of equipment offer. But again, the reliability is what's just most amazing to me.